Lift and place the laser tube into the laser tube slot. Turn on the machine. Put the laser tube on. Find the low voltage end. A connect A. This is the negative. A connection A. After that B connection B. This is a 300 negative poles. The positive pole is the same as the A plus connection A plus. After that B plus connects B plus. Find the inlet and outlet pipes. It's marked. Outlet hose connection outlet hose. Inlet hose connection inlet hose. After you put the laser tube on, this light port has to be aligned with this reflector. Then fasten the screws that hold it in place. Outlet hose to water cooler inlet hose. Inlet hose to water cooler outlet hose. 2 black tubes, this is water cooled. Water conservation line plugs directly into the water cooler socket. The black intake tube connects to this air pump. After you turn on the computer, the acrylic sheet is then attached to the reflector, a reflective near beam port. Then point and shoot. The location of the point is about as close as you can get to. It's the same procedure for point and shoot. Attach the acrylic sheet to the trigger, then move to the rightmost near point and shoot. Then move to the farthest position. Shooting intermittently. By adjusting Adjust the knobs on the reflectors so they overlap. It'll be fine if it's in the center when it's reunited. Attach the acrylic to the laser head. Fire in bursts. Move to the farthest end after a point-blank shot. Shoot again. After the 2 points coincide, need to put a point shot on the point. Centrally located. Laser head inlet. The point of the point shot must be at the it's off to the left. Requires adjustment of reflector screws. By adjusting the knob telescope knob wheel. Inlet light point adjusted to center. After adjusting to the center position, place double-sided tape or clear tape. Stick it to the laser head's exit port and shoot it. The point of the point shot needs to be in the center. Not in the center position can be adjusted by 3 screws. Top left, bottom left, left and right.